Okay guys, now we're fixing to make meatballs. And yes, I did just touch my hair. But we're gonna add 1 egg.
Now look like some mac and cheese.
No, that ain't mac and cheese. Then we're gonna add some Ritz. Now I've got a whole package. Let's just open it. We don't need that many. I don't have breadcrumbs, so we're using Ritz, guys. You wanna eat a Ritz?
No, look like some chips.
No, this ain't chips, baby.
What is that?
Ritz crackers. It's very good.
But
But we just want to take and crush them up. Guys, they are so easy to crush. Crush it. Crush it. Yeah, you can. You got to squeeze it with your hand like that. See? You might use a whole sleeve. Okay, we'll see if how that looks. Then guys, we're just gonna put, I'm gonna say this is gonna be about, and this was, let's see, 2 pounds of meat, hamburger meat. So the 2 pounds of hamburger meat, let's say this is a 1/8 of a spoon of, 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili powder, y'all know. Whoa, 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 okay. Woo! About a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Wait. A pie, remember? Whoa, 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 whoa. Around about a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder.
It costs me.
Yeah.
Let hold this.
You can do that with your hands. I don't know. You can.
Let do.
Okay, do it. Let's see you. You don't use like touching stuff like that.
Leah, they do this. You don't touch stuff.
I know it. You don't touch stuff like that.
And they touch it. We're cold, dude. And this are cold.
Yeah.
And they do that.
You gotta hurry now. I got to hurry. We got to go to church at 6 o'clock. Very good. Okay, let me finish. Okay. Just curl up that was on the bottom. Get it good and mixed.
Let's mix it. And this one. It did a lot of mess.
There's a mess.
And they do that.
Sonny, do you mind coming and checking the cabbage? No, we're just getting us a spoonful, like a handful. Put them in the meatballs. Now, I need to have time to put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, but we don't have time, so ours may not exactly hold their round shape because I've got to get them cooking because we've got to go to church at 6 o'clock, guys. So, plus me and Sonny have to eat before 6 o'clock. We've changed our eating hours from 12 to 7 to 11 to 6. You got to pick it up.
We don't pick it up.
You don't like holding this stuff. Let Mammy just do it, okay?
Mammy.
Because you don't like it.
Let's hold it. Let's hold me, bro.
Oh, he's going to roll with it. I thought I'd killed all them flies. And you can, like, since ours is going to have to be cooked fast, I can take and kind of smush it when I get it in my hand. Like, smush it together like that. And then roll. Okay, let me get them rolled and then we'll be back. Alright, here's our meatballs. Like I said, mine may not stay together because I wasn't able to put them in the refrigerator. The longer you leave them in the refrigerator and let them kind of set up, they'll stay better. Stay in a round shape. So we're just going to put them in here, as many as we can get. Hopefully all of them. Now these are not going to quite all fit, but they'll fit once they start cooking. Okay, and I'll be back once they've started cooking. Okay, they've started cooking, so now we can just turn them a little bit onto their side. And I didn't put onions in these, guys. You can put onions, but I know if Bo and Blue eat any of them, they're not going to eat them with onions. So we didn't put onions. Okay, now those are cooked and got smaller, then we can put some more in here. Now we only lack 2. So as they cook, I'll be back. Okay, now I did not put salt inside them because I honestly forgot it. So I'm going to have to salt the top. And then when we turn them over, we'll salt them again. Okay guys, as you see, all we do for these meatballs is we just keep turning them. I've got them all in there now. Just keep turning them, let another side cook. Guys, while my gravy is browning, we're going to go ahead and take up our meatballs. And most of them did stay together. Got them good and brown. Take them up and let the grease kind of drain off of them while we're getting our gravy ready. Got our rice water back there boiling, or fixing to boil. So we're going to have gravy, meatballs and rice and cabbage for supper before church.